Okay, fifth graders. Hopefully this one will take. Had a problem with this a couple days ago. So this is your homework, a single sheet, one-sided, and you've done this before. Simply plot and join the points in the given order. That's not so important. Complete the figure by joining the end points. Identify the shape, so don't forget to identify it, whatever it is. So let me do one of these with you guys here. How about let's look at number 4. Let's see what we come up with here. So the first point is -4, 1. So I'm going to go 1, 2. Remember, you always start with the x value. That's always first. Y value is second. X value is first. And this is second. Okay. So the first x value on the first ordered pair is -4. So here's the origin, and it's a -4. So I'm going to go this way to right there. And then it's 1. So I go up 1. So that's -4, 1. -4, 1. Second ordered pair is -1, 3. So again, I'm starting with the x value. X value is first. Almost all of you guys are pretty good at this. There's still 2 or 3 students that don't quite get it. Always start with the x value. So I'm here at the origin, -1. So I'm going to go back 1. If it was 1, I would have gone forward 1 or to the right 1. So I'm going to go back 1. And then it says 3. It's a positive 3, so which way am I going? Well, I'm going up. These are positive numbers. Down here are negative numbers. So -1, 3. Then up 1, 2, 3. So there's my second point. Next one is 4, 1. They're both positive numbers. You guys should know the quadrants now. This is quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3. And this is quadrant 4. And you know, in quadrant 1, all the numbers, any ordered pairs, are always positive. So you know this is going to fall in this quadrant here. So 4, x value, starting at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. I'm going to go up 1. There's the next point. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Fourth point is 3, -3. So I'm going to go 3, 1, 2, 3, down 3, 1, 2, 3. That one's done. And the last one is -1, -3. Well, again, this should tell you something here. If they're both negative, you know it's going to fall in quadrant 3. So -1, so I'm starting here at the origin, -1. I'm going to go back 1, and then -3. I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay? So there's my shape. Now, I talked to you guys about using a straight edge. And so I want you to do that. I like things to be nice and neat and straight. I don't want you to do it by hand. It starts to look kind of sloppy. Looks like you finished it while there was an earthquake going on. And so I'm using my little pad of sticky notes here as a straight edge, and that works. I actually have some protractors that I need to give you guys. That if you remind me to do that Monday, that'll help you with this. That way you don't have to use sticky notes or whatever else you might use for a straight edge, the edge of a book or something. So there's our figure. Okay. And what did I tell you guys? I told you not to color them in, didn't I? But we'll see who watched this video. And you won't lose any points if you don't color it in. But if you do color them in, and you can pick any color you want, I'll give you 1 extra credit point. But again, you won't lose any points because I told you guys not to worry about that. I said you don't have to color them in. But if you do, each shape in each location, I will give you an extra credit point. Okay? And I think when we grade this, I'll just go by points and, of course, the shape of the name. So, for example, this sheet will be worth a fair amount of points here. Maybe I should make it 2 extra credit points if you color them all in. I'll do a little +2 as a reminder here for me. +2 extra credit. So, so this one here has 4 points. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to total up all the points, and we'll double check, make sure you got each location correct, and then whatever shape they are. What shape is this? Anybody know? 5-sided figure. It's called a pentagon. Let me add a little more tail there to my P. It's a pentagon. Okay. All right, there's your homework help. It shouldn't take you guys more than about 10 or 15 minutes to do this, and you're good to go. I will see you guys Monday. And got about halfway through the test today as far as the graphing, and overall you guys did fairly well. And I'll talk to you later.